There are various functions on Connect that track your event attendance and organization memberships. Knowing how to access these functions will allow you to compile your student life involvement history, which you can use while creating a resume or a leadership development transcript. From the Connect homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right-hand corner. A sidebar will appear, giving you access to some of these great student life functions. First, choose Event History. On this page, you will find a cumulative list of all events that you have RSVP'd to through Connect. In order to RSVP for an event, go back to the Connect homepage and then to the Events tab. Choose the event you are planning to attend. On the Events page, you are able to RSVP. Completing RSVPs for events you attend on campus will help build your event history page. Next, choose the Memberships option under your profile picture. Here, you can view your current and past memberships with organizations. You are considered a member of an organization when you are on their Connect roster. Were you part of an organization, but it does not appear on this memberships page? Choose Add Past Membership and enter the organization name, the position you held within the organization, the date you joined the organization, and the date you left the organization if applicable. You also have the option of adding a short reflection. Are you currently a member of an organization that does not appear on your memberships? Again, go back to the Connect homepage and now to the Organizations tab. Choose the organization which you are a part of and click the Join button at the top of the page. Now, choose the Experiences option under your profile picture. This page consists of all experiences you have entered into Connect. Don't have any experiences related to leadership, student involvement, or student life already entered into Connect? Don't worry. Adding an experience is simple. First, click the Add Experience button at the top of the page and select your experience type. You can enter awards or honors, certificates, community service, conferences, and internship experiences. For example, if you are entering an internship experience, you will need to add the experience name, a description of the experience, the organization that led your internship, the start and end date of your internship, the number of hours spent at the internship, a short reflection, and finally, the contact information of your internship supervisor. When complete, click Save. Your internship experience will now appear on the My Experiences homepage. Your event history, memberships, and experiences will be useful in creating a leadership development transcript on Connect, which will be covered in the next video.